The journal article we are looking at here is an excellent example of APA style, and it illustrates some of the important ways that writers use APA style that I want to point out for you. Notice that the title of the article is very straightforward. Technology Review, Virtual Intrusive Advising, Supporting Community College Students Through Web-Based Synchronous Technologies. That's not a very exciting or captivating title. It's just very clearly stating what this is about. That's a hallmark of APA style. Let's look at the first part of the essay, which is really the introduction. It begins with background information and look at the really efficient use of citation here. Here's in the second paragraph. The traditional measures of student success in higher education are retention and graduation rates, NATECI 2011. The National Center for Education Statistics reported that only 58.9% of first-year full-time and 41.7% of part-time community college students were enrolled in public institutions in 2010 were retained through 2011. And there's your citation. Notice that it's not quoting stuff word for word. It's not embellishing it with metaphors or lots of colorful language. It's saying this is the data. And notice what this does also. It's establishing the authors, Stephanie Jones and Kinsey Hansen, as experts in their topic. They have done research. They know all this background information, and they're presenting it to you very clearly but very efficiently. Notice here that at the very end of the first section of the paper, there is a short paragraph which is really their thesis statement. As community college students struggle to accommodate a diverse population of students, many taking at least one online class, and are also charged with increasing their retention and completion rates in order to provide the U.S. with an educated workforce, one student support service that needs to be front and foremost for community college distance students is virtual intrusive advising. So that's their argument right there. It's done as, in many ways, as a single sentence, very direct and to the point. And this is one of the, again, this hallmark of APA style. You efficiently cite content, establish yourself as an expert on the topic, get to your point, and defend it. You don't need to spend lots of time embellishing with colorful language and so forth. Notice the use of sections and headings or titles for the different sections of the paper. That is very common in APA style. Typically, sections are multiple paragraphs, so it's unusual you would have a section that's a single paragraph. If you have a section title here, it's over multiple paragraphs, and that's what you have here. The one exception might be a final paragraph at the end called conclusion. In fact, this essay begins in conclusion. And notice here is a very straightforward statement about the role of Blackboard Collaborate, which is central to the article, and its importance in providing more intrusive academic advising to community college students. There's a references page that lists all the sources that are cited. It follows the very straightforward APA style for references, so you need to make sure you have your book open in front of you when doing a references page. Very short article, but it does a nice job explaining and showing you exactly the kind of pieces of APA style that I want you to take to heart in this class and apply to the papers you write.